To the Caribbean now, where Beryl, the first hurricane of the 2024 season, has rapidly intensified into a powerful and dangerous Category 4 storm before weakening to a Category 3. Beryl also set records as the first June hurricane ever to hit Category 4, the farthest east a storm has ever hit Category 4, and the first storm before September to go from tropical depression to major hurricane in under 48 hours. Officials say that happens because warmer water temperatures. Residents on the Caribbean island hunkered down in their homes.
State of emergency remains in place. It is for your own safety.
I have my water, bottled water and collected water. I have my extra food stuff, my batteries.
Now, we still don't know if Beryl will pose a threat to the U.S. after it moves on to other parts of the Caribbean and Mexico over the next few days.